Hey guys, short video here. If you don't know this channel or me, I am the Canadian Conquistador. This is a prepping slash permaculture slash food forest ranting channel. I kind of think that I've been blacklisted a long time ago because I don't get any views. I don't think my videos are that bad. I mean, I do have a few terrible videos, but you could prove me wrong by hitting the like button down below and subscribing so I know that this channel's still alive. I wanted to talk to you about the Ukraine, what's going on there, and possibility of nukes, right? So everybody's stocking up to the ceiling with food, survival gear and equipment and ammo and guns and you name it. Everybody's starting to hoard all this stuff. Let me tell you one thing. If you get radiation poisoning, you're not going to be able to hold down food. You're not going to be able to hold any food down. You're going to be puking, you're going to be so sick and possibly die from it. So when I heard about this conflict going on, I immediately got on Amazon, and it was a reminder a long time ago I was going to buy a radiation detector. I was looking at this keychain version that was 140 bucks. Well, it turned out that when I went on Amazon, I didn't have that much money. I had more like maybe 100 bucks to spend on stuff. So one of the things that I bought was, and I think it's kind of important seeing that we're talking about superpowers with super nukes and all sorts of stuff. So I got this, like I said, I wanted to get a keychain instead, but I got this. This is just the paper version. You're not supposed to put the actual card in the sun, so it'll deteriorate the sensor on it. But it is a one-time use sensor card. I got it through Amazon. I think it was $30. But basically, if we hear about nukes going off anywhere around here, I kind of want some kind of detector to detect if there's any possible radiation going on. And this particular card will read the darker. This bar in the center is your sensor, right? It will get darker with age, or if you put it in direct sunlight for too long, or after a 2-year, these only last 2 years, so it will expire and this bar will get dark. But the darker the band, the more radiation. And allegedly, this little spot right here with the 6 dots on it, that will turn lighter if you are exposed to radiation. So I thought this was a good little tool to keep in my wallet or whatever, keep it at home if anything goes on. It's a temporary. I mean, there is better ones out there that eventually I want to get, but for right now I had a sense of urgency, so I just immediately made that purchase. And they only had 2 left, so guys, I would, if you're interested in this product, I'd probably get on there and you get shopping, okay? The other thing is during the Cold War, there was always these threats and these nuclear drills going on, and it's kind of interesting because we were always going to get nuked by Russia, right? So everybody kept these tabs. They're iodine potassium tabs. I also ordered 4 of these packs. So you take 1 tab every 24 hours, and what it is they're thyroid blockers. So they take the radiation. If you hear on the news, okay, nukes are going off, whatever, you probably want to take one of these before the nukes actually hit. Obviously, if you're in the center of the nuke, you're not going to have to worry about this too much. But if you live far enough out and you're just worried about getting radiation sickness, these tabs they fill up your thyroid with iodine potassium. Let's make sure I'm saying that right. That's iodine potassium. This brand is called IOSAT, and you can get these on Amazon also. I believe they're 14 pills each packet. I don't think they were cheap. I bought 4 of these packets. So basically, it was just me that would last me a month and a half of taking these every day, right? So I don't know, I just wanted to talk to you guys about this. Thyroid blocking in a radiation emergency only. So yeah, I'm not sure, I'm not a doctor, if you can just straight up go out and buy iodine potassium pills, because they do sell those in bulk, and it's way cheaper than buying these. But I didn't want to take the chance and buy something that's not going to work, right? But the use is, the active ingredients is potassium iodine, 130 milligrams, and it helps prevent radioactive iodine from getting into the thyroid gland during a nuclear radiation emergency. Use along with other emergency measures recommended by public officials. So I guess if nukes go off, you're going to be hearing on the radio or internet to take one tablet now and take another tablet some other time. There's warnings on here about allergic reaction. People get shortness of breath, wheezing, swelling, skin rash, trouble breathing, speaking or swallowing. Allegedly, if you're on certain medications or if you have heart problems or anything like that, you should be asking a doctor before you use this. Like I said, I'm not a doctor, and I am only doing this for myself. I'm not recommending that you take this, but this is just a precaution, you know? So those are two preps that I bought right away. That was the first thing I bought. I'm pretty good for most other prepping items. I won't go into too much detail about that, but I just wanted to let you guys know, keep this a short video, that there's other things you should be preparing for other than what's going to fill your stomach, right? Because if you can't hold that food down because you have radiation poisoning, what good's that going to do you? Alright guys, until my next video, which comes out, I'm going to be working on this really cool video coming out, and it might take me a while because I have to do a lot of research, and it's probably going to be, maybe, I'm hoping at the end of this week I'll have it finished, but it could be possible that it takes me 2 weeks to do this next video. So until then guys, we'll see ya.